This is an unusual place for a man of your stature.
Come on, lads. We're in the presence of a mighty warlord of the sea. Show a little respect. Afraid I'm not in the mood for a duel today, Hawkeyes. A wee bit hungover.
I'm not here to fight. Not when you're half the man you used to be.
I could still take it. And with one arm tied behind my back.
I recently ran into someone who might be of interest to you. A boy you mentioned long ago.
Luffy. He really did it.